Bollywood actress Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra have always kept their little munchkin Adira away from the paparazzi. But as the little one has turned one, Rani, breaking the walls, shared a picture of Adira along with a heartfelt note on social media talking about her little girl. Being a mother has completely changed Rani's life, and while she opened about her joys of motherhood, she also has a very valuable and befikre advice for baby Adira. Check it out. Sweet, isn't it? Newzstreet Media Desk.